Okay guys, let's go. Thanks for tuning in. It's been a while since I made a new video. It's not because I haven't been riding it recently. I went on 2 rides with my club. One of the rides was this Monday. It was to Val Dieu. Very nice. If you're ever in Belgium or in the neighborhood of Voeren, go visit Val Dieu. But I didn't record those rides when I'm away with the club. I haven't filmed one of those rides yet. I will do it in the future, but not at the moment. So okay, let's go. Let's go for a quick little ride. It's not that nice of a weather, but it's been raining a lot in Belgium and it seems dry, so I wanted to take my bike out for a little spin. I think I'm going to Hasselt today. Don't know if I'm going to see anything, but hey, I'll take you along and maybe we'll see some funny things. Oh, beautiful horses. Whew. Poor things, it's way too muddy. Everything is muddy in Belgium at the moment. The amount of rain that we had in this month, May, it's insane. It's insane. It really is insane. I hope this road ain't gonna be closed down because of the rain. Don't think so at the moment, but we'll see.
A few moments later.
Ooh, see how everything is wet. This is insane, man. This really is insane. Look at all the water, man. I've never seen it this wet in like 8 years. 8 years. Never seen it this wet.
A few moments later.
Oh, God damn it. Don't want to make my bike dirty. Oh, this water. This ain't normal. Ooh, a friendly cop. Hope he doesn't stop me because I don't have my wallet with me. But hey, I think so. I think he was surprised. I really think he was surprised. They were all bikers, so why shouldn't you be friendly to a cop? Come on, man, you can fit. You can fit it, dude. If you ever go to Hasselt and you want a nice cafe, the Cambrines is right there. You see it has a nice place to sit outside. Really nice cafe. Really nice cafe. Ooh, biker. Biker. Bikers. I think it's a... Can't see what bike it is. 2 adventure bikes. Kia really is copying Volvo. They need to do their own thing, but no, they just copy Volvos. I'm not saying they aren't nice cars, but ooh, where's he going? Where is he going? I need to go in front. Nope, don't watch me. That wasn't good driving. Wait for your turn, lady. Just wait. Dude, don't. Idiot. Hello, Mr. Alpina. Don't believe anything if it's an Alpina because it only has 1 exhaust. But hey, we will play along. We will play along. I don't really believe it's an Alpina, but hey.